Money follows mastery. Let me say that again. Money follows mastery. You see, but the problem is most people, they want to get the money. They just want to skip the mastery part. So if you want to become a millionaire in half the time, let's talk about what it's really going to take to make that happen. All right, so you've probably heard about the 10,000 hour rule. It was made popular by Malcolm Gladwell in a book called Outliers, in which he proposed that if you want to become a master of your craft, then you need to invest a minimum of 10,000 hours in order to do so. Now that stems from a more than 40-year-old study that was released by Herbert Simon and William Chase, in which they had studied chess players and realized that every single one of them that had achieved Grand Master status had invested 10,000 to 50,000 hours staring at a chessboard in order to achieve such a status. So why do I say all of that? Because if you want to achieve exceptional results in life, then it comes from being a master of your craft. Money follows mastery, and there are no shortcuts. So how long is 10,000 hours? Well, if you work an average 9 to 5, 5-day a week, 40-hour work week, well, then that's the next 5 years of your life, roughly 2,000 hours per year. However, in a recent article, the CEO of JP Morgan Chase Asset Management Division, she said that they recommend to their new talent coming on board that they work 6 days a week, 12 hours a day in order to master their craft. Now, of course, the people out there sidelining it in life, they said, oh, that's too much. How can you make people work that hard? That's not healthy and all that jazz. And I think there's entirely too much hustle shaming going on right now, but that's probably a topic for a different video. Here's the point. She came back and said, no, that's what it takes. That's what it takes if you want to excel in a competitive marketplace. So let me share with you really quick my personal experience. When I got started in my industry today, digital marketing, I had come off of 12 years of failure as an entrepreneur. But in that 12 years, I had probably accumulated close to the 10,000 hours of sales and marketing training. So my business started to take off pretty quick. And at first I thought that I wanted to have a lifestyle business. So I took lots of vacations and I sat on the beaches in Hawaii with my toes in the sand, drinking Mai Tais and collecting commission checks until I decided that I wanted to launch my own company with my own products and take that company to over $1 million a month in revenue. What happened next is I worked every single day for the next 2 years. Every single day. I'm talking working on Sunday, 8, 10, 12 hours a day at times. And then it took about a year before I was even able to take those products to the public. But once I launched to the public, we got to over $1 million a month in revenue in less than 5 months. That's something that I had achieved that many of my friends and colleagues at the time have still not gone on to achieve even 5 and 6 years later. And most people do not launch a business from scratch and in 5 months take it to over 7 figures a month. I did it though, not by happenstance, not by luck, but by hustle, because I buckled down, got serious, became a master of my craft, and in 2 years it went from idea to over $1 million a month in revenue. So my point is simple. If you want to create exceptional results, become a master of your craft. And if you've got the hustle and the fortitude and the diligence and the work ethic, go out and put in the work and you will cut down the amount of time that it takes to get you there. Now, if you like videos like this, if you like content like this, go ahead and click subscribe, turn on that bell notification, join the bell squad so you get notified every time I drop more content like this. And please give this video some like and comment love to help the algorithm. With that said, I look forward to seeing you in a future video, my friend. Take care.